Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Sun Life US. Review my usage experience. Sun Life US offers a range of financial products and services, focusing primarily on insurance and retirement planning. They cater to individuals, families, and businesses looking for solutions to protect their financial future. Key offerings seem to include life insurance, disability insurance, dental insurance, and annuities. Their website, sunlife.com, provides details on their different plans and services. They emphasize financial security and personalized planning, suggesting tailored solutions to meet individual needs. While pricing details aren't directly available on the main site, it seems you can get quotes after providing specific information about your requirements. They also highlight their long history and financial strength. Availability for specific products might vary by state, and there seems to be a way to find local advisors through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Sun Life US for a review of my existing life insurance policy. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I found their website easy to navigate and located the contact information for a local advisor. Scheduling a consultation was easy, and they were very accommodating to my availability. During the consultation, the advisor walked me through my current policy, explaining the coverage details and highlighting any potential gaps in my coverage. He used a digital platform to show me different scenarios and potential adjustments I could make. Navigating this platform was a little bit clunky at times, but the advisor patiently explained each step. The process was quite thorough, and he provided me with a detailed report afterward. One feature I found particularly useful was the ability to compare different policy options side by side. This allowed me to clearly see the differences in coverage, premiums, and potential benefits. The standout feature for me was definitely the advisor's expertise. He answered all of my questions thoroughly and made me feel comfortable discussing a complex topic. One minor drawback was that the follow-up emails containing the report and policy information were a bit dense and jargon-heavy. It took me a little while to decipher everything. I had a quick question about one of the policy options and the advisor responded within a day via email, which was great. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Sun Life US to review my life insurance coverage. The personalized advice and detailed analysis provided valuable insights into my financial planning. That's my overview of Sun Life US. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.